Who are win 5 grand? 5 grand. Just answer 3 little question. 3 simple questions. Man, a simple 1, 2, 3 question, man. We ask a question like purple plus green and them thing. You see? Man, them know how win 5 grand. You know, green plus yellow, red minus purple. Come in.
Help me! Help me!
We there back in a me pen. You know how that go. We now left until we find the brightest person in a me pen right now. We are going to find out who know them answer. More give it a 10 grand, you know. We need to give it a 10 grand. TK ain't ready to give it money. Brother, you shake your head. Them can't see you shake your head, bro. You're the back of the camera. Yo, anyway, we are going to look for the first victim and see how it's there. $5,000 we are winning a me pen. We now left until we give it that money. Wait, so we're active? Alright, so we're there with the brightest youth in a me pen right now. We're there with the brightest youth them in a me pen right now. Man, them want to introduce themselves.
Alright, so my name Kwan.
Nikai.
Gram Kwani _ YB.
My gram me have my name Nix do care. My name Josh, but you can call me Glitch. Also have a TikTok called Josh_19. Yeah, that's my TikTok. You can go there and follow me.
Alright.
On my Instagram, @savage_DTV.
My name is Juicy Mark. On the gram, on the TikTok, everywhere. Juicy Mark.
DJ Shalrich from IG, you see?
Been too crazy on IG, you know what I think?
Yeah, she want on IG.
Yeah, Mario.
Alright, so we're there with the brightest girl in a me pen right now. She says she have bright sparks and she can answer all 3 questions and get $5,000. First thing I want you to do is introduce yourself.
My name is Gabby. My name is Gabby.
You know, I shout out your TikTok, Instagram, or
My IG, Gabby.gotbricks.
Jaka.
First question. I have cities but no houses. Mountains but no trees. Water but no fishes. What am I?
I don't know.
Think about it, man.
Repeat the question.
Repeat that one there.
Yes, the same again.
Repeat.
Repeat the question again.
Something alright?
I have cities.
Cities, as in CITY. Yes. Cities.
Listen up. I have cities but no houses.
Yeah.
Mountains but no trees.
Yeah.
I have water but no fishes.
Yeah.
What am I?
Alright. Yeah, cities.
I
I have water but no fishes. What else does you have?
Mountain, no
Mountain.
trees.
Mountain or no trees. What are you?
Grass.
I have cities but no houses. Mountains but no trees. Water but no fishes. What am I? Pool.
So, illogical answer for me as a young juvenile going to Denby High School. You see me representing. You see me?
Road. You can say road. Yeah, road can go up. And it have water, there's a city. Water.
You sure you know I try again one more time?
Well, water. Water bucket.
Really, nigga?
You have city and you don't know.
Government.
Stupidity!
Oh no, dog.
The logical answer is
Logical answer me have. You see me? Water commission.
No.
what? You say? It's a road.
Road, you say.
Not lucky in that.
And what you say? Road, you say? Well, I him say road, and nobody me say.
I know what you say.
Yeah, trouble there, you go.
Water bucket?
Yeah. Catch you You have no mountain there, so. No fish there, so. No tree. But you have water there. Think about it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Water buckle.
And it have city.
It have where is it?
No boy. See someone you embarrassed me already dog.
You know another one there?
You know that one there.
No?
That wrong, you know, bro.
That wrong, bro.
On the road.
How
A globe.
I'm up.
Map.
I have cities but no houses. Mountains but no trees.
Yeah, water. Cities but no houses.
Yeah.
You know that one there?
See now, as a juvenile, as me say once, back then, I really know that one, you know. I mean, I really can't shame myself, bro. Cause I tell you, say, yo, I know that one, yeah. So I gotta take me humble defeat and ask for the answer. So what is the answer?
The father.
A map of the answer. Is it simple? Ah, what you know? Second question. I can be broken but never held. What am I?
To be broken but never held. Spirit.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
The spirit can be broken but it can't be held.
Yo, that makes sense now. Forgive me that one there.
Yeah.
Half mark. I know that way I look for. Half mark. What can be broken but never held?
What can be broken but never held? Art.
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 Art. No, me no know what. Art. Art, me say.
Art, you say.
Glass.
So you can't hold glass.
Yeah. Oh, heart.
I can be broken but never held. What am I?
Art.
Hello, listen. Hold on, you did there no. Heart.
Heart? Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, me I go with heart.
Heart. I want to sure.
Yes.
That wrong. That's a good one, but I know that way I look for.
Aye. Can be broken but never held.
Get up on the right track.
We can get that in.
Me just get up on the right track. That's the hint.
Your art, like emotionally, your art can be broken, but you can't hold your art. See me?
So the doctor them will perform surgery. Them no whole heart none at all.
No, but let's not. We are talking emotionally now, you know. We are about emotionally done in a person as an emotional youth, you see me? Your
Yeah.
heart get broken in the bro. You can't touch your heart because it get broken.
Oh.
You see me? So when you hear some man say, oh, them a put back in the pieces, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And them a physically put in back in pieces. They don't physically touch nothing because if my heart broken, I can't touch my broken heart, bro. Sir. That's a conclusion that me get off fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that I answer still.
Heart. You can break me heart, you never hold it. You have to give me that.
Where's the African?
Art.
So the doctor them will do heart surgery. Research on them. Them no whole heart.
No.
Them can't hold it.
No.
So I say a human being never hold a heart in them life yet.
Pampers.
Pump what?
Pampers. That's what they say.
Heart.
Yeah. Can broke your heart.
But doctor whole heart every day, man. Doctor will do surgery whole heart and everything.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Me no know that one there.
Yeah, give up again.
Yeah, me no know that.
You can't break heart and you can't hold. Oh, you can't hold it.
So when doctor operate.
Hey, done.
I can be broken but never held.
Yeah.
Will, you know, say will can like a will boy can be broken but you can't hold.
Yeah, get some half mark, you know.
But 2.5 make 1.
I can be broken, but never held. What am I?
Promises. Can break your
Holy
promises.
smooching
brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, one number G. One more question. I can be broken, but never held. What am I?
I promise. I want answer.
I promise.
I promise. Delete that.
I
What was my premise then?
Bumbo.
You can spell? Not a big speller.
No.
You are a big speller.
No. Bro, I'm not a good speller, bro.
It's a simple word, me ask you.
Words.
It's a simple word, me. Why you spell the word candy?
Candy.
Only using 2 letters. We just want to spell the word candy. Only using 2 letters.
Candy, we're only using 2 letters. We can do it. First letter. So you have a paper. That's the letter you write. So you write C-A-N-E-Y. And then the second letter, C-A-N-E-Y. 2 letters using candy.
I am the one, the way you turn the
Wrong answer, forehead.
Yeah.
So you write 1 letter. No, you spell candy in a 2 letter. So the first letter of candy body. You fold that whatever you do with it. The second letter of candy. You fold that whatever you do. So you spell candy in a 2 letter.
They are smart still, you know?
I get it right.
No, you don't get it right. But no, you know
Hold
this.
on. Candy.
Candy.
Using only 2 letters.
2 letters. But that was a good answer still. But that's not right. That good, one more chance. Want to spell the word candy using 2 letters.
Bro, they say candy.
Candy.
I'm gonna just say DY. Just say candy.
DY.
Yeah. Right?
DY.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, lock that in.
I'm gonna like you. DY.
Supposed to tell you that wrong.
I use Google.
Yeah.
C-A-N-D-Y. That's all.
Yeah, but why you spell it with 2 letters?
Yeah, me I say DY, can you say candy? So I think I just use a can and just put it DY.
But DY, you would say candy there, so. If you write DY on a paper, you can. That also DY.
You are in time you take off $1,000.
In time, we take off $4,000.
No.
Alright, give me a hint. Me obviously feel myself.
Alright. Want me get it in? The hint is 2 letters. Wrong. The answer is C and Y. C and Y.
Shut.
Me can give up. No, cause I'm really.
You give up?
Yeah, me give up. Tell me the answer.
The answer is C and Y.
pen.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
17 I answer.
17. Yeah.
No.
If 22 rat the pamang boat,
How much left?
Kapinay was a year.
I'm try get in, but you try get you not get it.
Right, yeah, me did try.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
Oh, if 22 rat the boat,
No, never kills a one trip, but me don't want to say one trip.
Yet?
7.
7? You say 8 first. Which one you
No,
say?
me never say 8.
Oh, 7. What you say?
Alright, 7.
7?
22 rat the pound boat.
Yeah.
Rat.
And 15 jump off. How much left? 8? 18? No.
Yeah, man.
Me hear 18, 8. What you say? 8.
15.
15. 8. 15.
Then girl, I said me say 15.
Them girl that say 15?
Yes.
I want to give
Oh,
that
man,
answer.
look like fool out there.
Or them why you look like fool? You trust them with the 15?
No?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Dog, I make me feel extra duds.
No man, I don't man.
Ah, one down.
Last one. If 22 right up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
No, man, put the 2 on it. 7 that, bro.
So you said, what the answer?
If 22 right there on the boat and 15 jump out. And 7.
7.
Yeah?
You sure?
Very.
What you say?
7 too.
7?
Yeah.
I stand by the calculator.
Stand by the calculator because I calculator smartness, you know, you don't know.
Oh.
You see me mental matter not really. My thing in the category.
Er.
You see me calculator.
What if I tell you that wrong?
Chickastan. What 22 right I do on a boat?
Yeah, boy.
We don't know.
Ask back for your question.
Alright.
Remember the brightest girl listening to me
Ask back
pen,
for
you
your
know.
question
So if she
and
don't know it,
listen.
nobody don't know it.
Seven rat go left on the boat, but he like the person I treat so much.
Right.
He like there's a part where me not see what I'm supposed to see what I can't hide it and can't see. 7.
7. 7.
Alright, 7 you're wrong.
Yeah, that wrong. A 22 rap, me say no. 22 rap.
Yeah.
And a 15 jumper. How much left?
Yo. It's on easy, but the hard.
8. Them money, I want them getting a match.
I want number.
Yes, I
I
know.
number. I know my answer. Then me I go do a girl and say.
What the girl them say?
Yeah.
You sure you know I go with the charge? You say 8.
Me I go do a girl and say.
12.
More tell you say that wrong.
So we are going to jump in a calculator. So
Ah.
you say. Alright, then reach for the boat.
What the answer? What the answer? 22 right up on a boat and 15 jump off. How much left?
On a board.
On the 22 left on the boat and 15 of them jump out.
Jump out or jump off.
Jump off of the boat.
Jump off.
How much left?
12.
12.
Yeah.
Quick maths.
Oh, a 2.
Where you say?
12, man. 12.
A 12.
God, please, no! No! No!
22 right up on a boat and 15 jump out. How much left?
Oh! Me switch that round now, I'll get 17.
Yeah.
So, oh, that is wrong.
Are you 100% on that? 22 left. What you say?
15 jump off, 15 rat jump off.
If you want one rat jump off, you them not go jump off.
You serious?
15 jump out.
Yeah.
How much left?
So much left. What you say? None? What you say?
22 still the one. 22 still the.
So you say none no jump off. After I just tell you say 15 jump off. What you say 3 on the wrong? Answer 15.
15 left.
Yeah.
15 jump off.
Yeah. So no 15 left. What if I tell you say the question is not a math question
Is
but
it?
an English question?
So-
What?
Jump off.
15 rat left.
15 rat left.
50 rat left.
So, how is that? Not
Because 15 rat left.
you what?
15 rat jump off of the boat. So 15 rat left.
Left the boat. Oh.
Oh.
You know, as a wise man once said, you know, always stay in school. Remember, kids, do not do drugs. Stay in school and believe in yourself. If you can't get an education, there's a skill. Get them here, say, believe in yourself. You see me, make sure you listen to the mother, listen to the father, and take in the education. And make sure you pray. You see me?
All the time.
Make sure you pray. Big up Father God, big up yourself.
Yeah. Big up, bro. So the brightest youth that in a me pen. If him could answer it, you don't know who can answer it. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, brother, I'm not doing no more video for If you don't subscribe, I do no more video for you. That